Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm doing a review on the Catalyst AirPods waterproof case. You can find this on Catalyst website for $24, or I got it from Best Buy for $24. And yeah, if you don't want to get your AirPods case scratched up, but you can tell it's beat up. See? Get yourself this case. Yeah. Let's start the unboxing. So you can, it is IP 3.3 feet waterproof from 3.3 feet, shockproof from 4 feet, dropproof 1.2 meters, and waterproof 1 meter. 360 total protection for your brand new toothbrushes or dental floss. Let's begin by unboxing it. I don't need my knife. The first thing you'll see out of the box is the carabiner right there, and then the silicone case itself. I got the slate gray or the slate black silicone. This is how it looks like. It's a nice smooth case. I like it. And nothing else, just this. That's it. Let's throw the box away. And also we got some instruction manual. We don't need that. It's in store. That's it. We don't need that. Don't need this. We don't need that. We just need this. This is, it has its own charging place where you can put in the lightning. And yeah. So yeah, let's put my AirPods in. You just slide it in. And that's it. Plug this in. Wait, it's not in all the way. Now it's in. So yeah, it feels actually really nice. Then this is where you can plug in your AirPods. Right there. If you want it waterproof, close it up. This is where your carabiner goes. So you can attach it to your belt or your pants belt loop, like this. Like you can attach it like this. You can put this in here, in this pocket. It won't fall off. You can also put in this pocket. See? Put in this pocket right here. Then on the back you got the sync button. access the sync button. Feels like it's not in all the way. I like the color, it's nice. Just flap it open. To keep it waterproof, they have these lines to keep it closes onto the cap itself, and then water doesn't get through those lines. See? Yeah. That's why it's tough. The only thing that we missed to an actual review is testing out the waterproof capability. Let's see if it's waterproof. So yeah, let's see if this is waterproof. It says on the box it is. 1 meter is 3.3 feet. There it is. It's in there. There it is. Let's see if it's dry. Okay, let's dry it out. You're gonna get a little moisture at the edge. That's where it stops, but actually, let's slide this bad boy off. Wow. It is dry. Wow, it is actually dry. So yeah, that is the case review. If you enjoyed, don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and get me to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And yeah, stay tuned until my next video. Peace out.